If you love RVing, you know that keeping a usable cell signal can be a struggle. A cell phone signal booster like the SureCall Fusion4Home 3.0 RV helps you stay connected in your RV with twice the power of any comparable booster. In this video, I want to share a few tips on how you can get even more out of your booster. First off, proper installation is key to getting peak performance out of your booster. A few key points to keep in mind are antenna separation and the connections of the various components. Make sure that the inside and outside antennas are sufficiently spaced apart. This is called antenna separation. If you get the two antennas too close to each other, they will talk to each other, creating feedback or oscillation. Your booster will detect this oscillation and limit its output power to eliminate the problem. This is a great feature, and your booster is still working just fine, but you could be getting even more coverage area. If you see red lights on the booster, that means it is experiencing oscillation, and it's cut back its gain or output power. Move the booster further away from the outside antenna until you no longer see red lights. Another simple tip is to make sure all connections on the booster are secure and tight. Ensure that all cables have a good finger-tight connection to minimize any loss and keep the booster performing at its best. As a side note, don't use a wrench to tighten the connections, as this could over-tighten them and break the connectors. A nice, solid finger-tight connection is more than enough. The next tip is about antenna placement. Get the antenna as high as you can. The higher the antenna, the more signal it is able to pick up, and results in a stronger signal inside of your RV. At the very least, make sure your antenna is above the roofline of your RV and clears anything on top like AC units and vents. You can also install telescoping flagpoles on your RV and mount the antenna on these. As you travel, the antenna is low and will clear any bridges or overpasses. But when you get to your location, raise the flagpole and get the antenna high into the air for better performance. Getting the antenna up high allows it to clear obstacles like trees and hills, allowing it to gather more signal and give you a stronger connection. My last tip is about the antenna itself. This one takes a little finesse, but the results are worth it. The Fusion4Home 3.0 RV comes with an omnidirectional antenna. You can replace the Omni antenna with a higher gain directional Yagi antenna and aim the antenna towards the cell tower to get even more signal out of your RV. Once you get to your location and park the RV, raise the Yagi and turn it slowly 360 degrees as you watch the signal level on your phone. When you've found the direction with best signal, secure the antenna pointing this way. We have seen some major improvements in the signal level by simply swapping out the antenna, going from a barely usable signal to full 4G, capable of streaming movies and downloading files. So those are a few tips to help you get even better signal coverage in your RV on your next adventure. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.